If you're looking for wind-up toy baby products, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Wind-up toy baby products video collection. Number 1, most popular, by Wind-up Toys. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Wind-up Toys. Number 3. Get your favorite baby products now, just click this circle in the corner. Number 4. Number 5, by Puka Creations. Find these wind-up toy baby products at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Wind-up Toys. Number 7. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more wind-up toy baby products ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Puka Creations.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.